Hello guys, welcome to my channel CraftsWithShammu. Please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Hey everyone, today we are going to do this beautiful glittered silk thread earrings. So let's get started. Take a blue colored silk thread and wrap around for about 20 to 25 times. Now cut in the center. Glue both the ends together now. Take a size 1 jhumka base and glue one end of the thread to the jhumka. Now let it dry for some time. Now start wrapping the silk thread around the jhumka. There is a clean tutorial on wrapping the jhumka. You can click this I button or you can find the link in the description box. This is how it looks. Now take some glitter. I chose blue color over here. You can do whatever color you want. Now take some transparent nail color. Insert a stick or anything to have a good hold over it. Now start applying the nail polish over a small area of the jhumka. Then take a spoonful of glitter and sprinkle it over it. Tap the jhumka to remove the excess glitter powder. Repeat this process by applying the glitter over small areas until you cover the entire jhumka with glitter. This is how it looks. Now let it dry for some time. And then we will add a coat of nail polish over it to seal the glitter. Now let this dry. Now it is dried and you can see the glitter isn't coming off. Now take a pin and insert it into the jhumka. Using the pliers, semi-bend the end. Take a metal stud and attach it to the jhumka and twist it with the pliers. That's it, you're done. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button and smash that subscribe button. And meet you in my next video. Until then, happy crafting. Bye bye.